What's going on? This is Chris from LifterLMS. Hope you're having a great day. I'm just out here walking the dogs up here on top of a mountain in Maine. I want to make sure you heard about the LifterLMS Black Friday All November sale. If you haven't heard of Lifter, Lifter is the leading learning management system for WordPress. It's the most customizable. It's got a free core plugin that's super powerful if you're looking to get started without spending any money at all. But we have this sale going on, so if you use coupon code Black Friday 20, you can save 20% on your order. It doesn't matter what you get. We have various add-ons and 2 bundles to choose from. And I'm going to tell you in a moment which add-on most people start with if you're just going to get one. But before I get into that, any purchase during the month of November, we're also giving out $2,400 in bonuses to every purchase. Doesn't matter if you get the big bundle, which we call the Infinity Bundle, or the Universe Bundle, or just get a single add-on. So there's going to be all those bonuses for you to enjoy and get even more value from LifterLMS. We want to take the time pressure off around this holiday season and not have a bunch of urgency around the holiday, and just give people a break. Give you the whole month of November to make a decision. Hey, if you're not ready to buy, just go check out the free LifterLMS plugin. All good. But if you are going to buy and you want to get started for the lowest possible cost, the most common add-on that people get if they're just going to get one is a payment gateway. So that's like our Stripe add-on or our PayPal add-on. Or if you're already using something like WooCommerce, we have an integration for that as well. So if you want to get started with your online course or your coaching program and you want to be able to receive one-time and recurring payments on autopilot where it's fully automated checkout flow, just look at our website, go to lifterlms.com, and you can get the Stripe or the PayPal add-on or the WooCommerce if that's what you want to use. So that's it. I just wanted to tell you about what's going on there in case you didn't hear about it. And yeah, it's this Black Friday. You know, a lot of companies do a really huge discount, and that's actually not that sustainable. You know, if you do like a super big discount, you're often betting against your customers to succeed, and you're just trying to get as many people as possible through the door. That's not how we roll at LifterLMS, because we want to be able to support you. That's why we're doing a more modest 20% discount and hooking you up with some bonuses that are going to help you be even more successful. So that's the deal. I'm going to get back to my walk. This is Chris coming at you from the coast of Maine. There's Acadia National Park over there, and the ocean's right there. But anyways, just thought I'd reach out to you this morning. Have a great rest of your day. We'll see you around, all right?